YouTube. Last social media story, I think. No, there might be a TikTok one. Anyway, YouTube is making it easier for creators to turn long content into shorts. YouTube Shorts, sort of controversial thing. Some people are like, hey, that's not really YouTube. Other people are just like loading up shorts and I don't care. It's short content. One of the areas, though, I think there is an opportunity is as previews for videos. I don't mind this.
Okay.
And so this new edit into a short tool, which is popping up inside the YouTube app, lets you take a video. Maybe it's back in your catalog somewhere. And of course, I know about this. I feel fondly of nostalgic of videos from ages ago. You can revitalize them. Now, could people find a way to spam you with this? Maybe. Hopefully there's some sort of limit to how you use it. Edit into a short tool is going to be in the iOS and Android app. It'll let creators select up to 60 seconds from one of their videos and bring the clip into the Shorts editor. Right from the YouTube app on iOS or Android. From there, they can add things like text filters, as well as additional videos shot with the Shorts camera or pulled from their photo library. And then you're able to embed a link to the original video. So you essentially create a preview in Shorts if people want to watch more. And I can think of a lot of videos in the past which a thumbnail doesn't really suffice to give you the full kind of cool factor of a video. I think of some of the car videos that we've done and things like this where, yeah, a minute long or like a 40-second long preview might actually entice some people to go watch it. So it's interesting because you may have negative feelings about short content, but if short content is used to drive long content, all of a sudden it's a little different. So
like a commercial.
Well, and also it's going to encourage viewers to not just sit there and only watch short content, but instead to use it as a gateway sometimes into maybe paying attention to something a little bit longer. I don't know.
Sure.
So I think that's pretty cool. Not bad.